Okay, good evening everyone. Guys, and today we'll go with one more important concept is called if else control statement. Okay, now we'll see one by one. Sir, may I know, are you completed yesterday task everyone? Please say yes or no in our chat box. Make it faster. Make it fast. Are you completed all the tasks which one I given based on if and if else? Please. See, your response is very, very important to me. So that please everyone respond. Everyone respond guys here. Your response is nothing but my energy, right? So your response is very, very important. Right. Good. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So you guys are following me. I'm very happy for that. Okay. And today we'll go with one more important concept is called if else. See, yesterday we saw if control statement. The second one we saw the if else. Again, I am repeating if control statement. Second one we completed if else, if else. And third one we are going with if else control statement. If else control statement. The next one, fourth one is nothing but a nested if. Okay, rarely we can use nested if in some cases. Now I am going to highlighting here. Which ones are? Third one. If else control statement. I am coming with the third one. If else control statement. Guys, what happened? See, in if else, if else, what we are doing? Checking one condition. If condition is true, condition is true, and block of the code is executed. In case condition is false, take the else, printing the false statement. Observe here, in if else, we are checking only one condition. Sir, alternately, I want to check more than one condition, sir. Then go with what? If else control statement. Suppose if you want to check more than one condition in sequence order, then go with what? If else control statement. Right? I'm coming in if if else control statement, control statements, the conditions are checking in a sequence order, sir. In sequence order. And here, if first condition is true, first condition is true, then block of the code is executed. Block of the code is executed. Understand? In case, in case, in case, okay, in case first condition is false. In case condition is false, condition is false. Takes else, again check the condition. Again check the condition. Again check the condition. In case second condition is true, again block of the code is executed. Suppose second condition is false. Again take the L, again check the condition. If third condition is true, block of the code is executed. Even third condition also false. Then take the else, print the false statement. So here multiple conditions are checking in sequence order, sir. In sequence order. Again, I am repeating. Okay, if you want to check, if you want to put multiple conditions in sequence order, then go with what? If else if control statements. right? Now I am giving flow chart. You will get more clarity. Later we'll give the syntax. Coming, sir, how we can write the flow chart? Please understand. Flow chart will tell you more clarity how to prepare and how to use if else if control statement. Now, guys, understand this is nothing but my starting point. Starting point. Otherwise, already I have a PPT, sir. Okay, I don't want to do race cover. Okay, give me 1 minute. Just I'm going with PPT. Okay, next. Yeah, this is what if else control statement. Guys, this is the block. Please understand. Okay, this is what. Guys, understand. Now, this is my starting point. Starting point means what? I am giving some input. With our input, the condition one is true. Condition one is true. The block of the code is executed. Means statement one is executed and directly come to the end part. Suppose our first condition is false. Take else, again check the condition. Means this time we are checking the second condition. If second condition is true, this one is true, then statement 2 is printed and come to the end part. Come to the end part. Suppose second condition also false. Again, take the else. After else, again I am giving the condition actually. If third condition is true, then statement 3 is printed and coming to the end part. Suppose condition 1 is false, condition 2 is false, condition 3 is false. Take else and a false statement is printed. Understand the flow chart. So here conditions are checking sequence order one after another, guys. This is our flow chart. Please everyone take one photo. Okay. Otherwise, I'll send you these photos and don't worry about it. Please better to take one small photo in your application. If else control statement. Okay, here conditions are checking in sequence order one after another. One after another, guys. Please, this is what our flowchart. Now I am going with the syntax. Sir, how we can write the syntax? Here I am coming. Right. First, we are giving the if. In first if, give the condition and give the colon. Colon indicate the that block and give the tab space. Tab space and here I am giving the block of the code. Block of the code. Block of the code. Suppose suppose if our sorry, here I am giving condition one. Okay, condition hyphen one, sir. In case the condition one is false, again take L and we can put if. Again we are going to checking the condition hyphen two. Condition hyphen two. If condition two is true, again second block of the code is executed. Here, second block of the code is executed. In case second condition also false, again take L if. Here I am giving condition number 3, sir. 3, condition number 3. Okay, if condition 3 is true, again block of the code is executed. Block of the code is executed. In case the given all condition are false, take else and here you can execute the false statement. False statement. This is our syntax, right? Okay, based on this one, now I am going to explaining you 2 or 3 examples. The first example, my friends. Okay, write a Python program to check biggest of biggest of three numbers. Biggest of three numbers application. So as an input, I am going to taking the 3 inputs among from 3 values. Okay, I am going to checking which one is the biggest number. So when you go with here, what happens, sir? We are going to checking more than one condition. Guys, here I am giving some clue. Clue I am giving. So What is the clue hint I am giving, sir? Hint means when you write this code, here we are going to checking the if condition, and within the if condition, we are going to using a relational operators, and plus here we are going to using the logical operators also. Sir, understand how I am going to simplifying the problem statements. So if condition, inside the if condition, we are going to using relational operator plus a logical operator. Now I am going to writing the code, sir. Okay, please, guys, are you following me? Everyone need your response in our chat box. Are you there, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Are you there, everyone? Need your response? Okay, right. Now I am coming with a, okay, I am coming with code. So this is nothing but a Visual Studio. You guys compulsory use a Visual Studio code. Visual Studio code. Right. Right. Guys, here is the I'm coming with our code one. And now, guys, here I am taking three input values. Please understand three input values. And today I am going to taking input value by using the keyboard, sir. You know how to take. Now n1. To take integer value, then use int of. Okay, input of. Here you can write enter n1 value. Enter n1 value, first input value. In the same way, similarly, I am going to taking the three input value. So n1 means what? Number one, number two, and number three value. Okay, here enter n1 value, enter n2 value, and enter n3 value. So three values I taken as an input. Now here I am going to implementing the if else if control statement. First writing the if. Look, sir. Okay, n1 value I am comparing with n2. And operator, logical and. Again, n1 value comparing with n3. Guys, understand. If this condition is satisfied, now here I am giving. What happened? n1. Okay, guys, understand. Okay, f double quote n1. Okay, just I am giving here. Okay, f what we will do, if n1, just n1, don't do like this, n1 like this we can write. Okay, n1, give the comma, and here you can write f also, or do one thing, sir. Okay, just here in f, okay, here number one. Okay, okay, number one means here you can write curly brace n1. Okay, beside you can write, right, this is a format. Okay, is a biggest, sir. Is biggest, look here. So with our input value, okay, if first condition is satisfied and second condition is satisfied, then our n1 is a biggest number. In case suppose the condition is not satisfied, take L if. Now this time I am going to comparing the second number. N2 is more than N1, and N2 is more than N3. Right? Okay, this time I am going to comparing with N2 number. Okay, if second condition is satisfied, then okay, here we are going to printing the N2 is biggest number. So here just I am reading N2 is biggest. Suppose, okay, suppose first condition is false and second condition is false. Directly I am taking the else block. else block, and we are going to printing n3 is biggest number. Observe here. Okay, this is our first condition, my friends. Okay, if the condition is true, then okay, this block of code is executed. Suppose first condition is not satisfied. Take L, again check the condition. If the condition is true, this block of the code is executed. Suppose even second condition also false. Take else and false statement is printed. Look here, conditions are going to checking, okay, in sequence order. This is called if else control statement. Now I am coming. Then we know, sir, how to execute the code. Python is a command. Then use our file name code1.py, hit enter button. Now it is going to asking you, okay, guys, I think, okay, we are in PowerShell. Please, I am going to changing into command prompt. Command prompt. Okay, just go to file menu, save this file. Again, you can run. Okay, just you can run it. Okay, Python. Our file name is what? code1.py, hit enter button. See, I am going with N1. Here N1 value is 100 and N2 value is 45 and N3 value is simply I taken the 5 value. So in first case, I am going to showing the 3 cases, understand. See, in first case, N1 value is 100. Look here. So 100 is more than 45. Now tell me, is condition true or false? It is true. And here we given the and, logical and. Again, 100 is a more than 5 value. Again, this one also true. So, with our first value, second and third value is true, then condition is true. It can print 100 is biggest. In first case, suppose. In second case, what I did, sir? Okay, N2 value I taken, 450 I taken, sir. If you take 450, now I'm checking with first condition. Means 100 is more than 450. And here the condition is false. And gate. First condition. Again we are checking second. 100. Okay. Means 100 is more than 5 value. 5 value. Means here is true. But according to AND gate, at least one condition is false, output is false, so that this block of the code is not going to executing. Again, go with second condition. In second condition, N2 value is 450, right? 450 is more than 100. So condition is true. And here we give an AND gate. Then next, 450 is more than 5. And here also true. According to AND gate, first condition is true and second condition is true, then our output is true, so that this block of the code is executed. In third case, I am coming. Suppose here I given 500 value I given, sir. In third case, with 500, first condition is false, second condition is false, so that take else and N3 is biggest number. Understand how the conditions are going to executing in sequence order. Now here I am going to executing in first case, 100 is biggest number. Now I am going to execute the same code with the second case. This time first number is 100 and second number is 450 and third number is 5, sir. In second case, and this time, okay, 450 is the biggest number. Now I am going to checking third case, sir. Okay, again I am asking the value 100 value. Again give the 450. This time I given the 500 value. Now in this case, it can print 500 is the biggest value. Observe here how the conditions are going to checking one by one. I hope you understand, sir. This is nothing but a if else control statement. Right? Here we are going to checking the conditions in sequence order. Guys, observe here my hint. What? We used a relational operator and logical operator. Finally, these are our output. So here output also I am going to sending you. Okay, please understand. Okay, with this output, we will get more clarity tomorrow. Right? Three cases I'm sending you in your notes, please. This is the first application, guys. And okay, for better understanding purpose, now I am going with one more application. One more application, sir. Later I will give you some few tasks. You will get more clarity, right? And second application. Okay, write a Python program. Write a Python program. Okay, to print the student result, sir. Student result. It's a real world application. For that, okay, as a input. So as a input, what I am taking? I am taking the student ID and the student name. Just I am taking the course name also. Little bit of I am going to no, I am going to explain a little bit of it. Okay, one real world application course name. And along with course name, here I am going to giving the three subject marks. Yes or no? Means a subject 1 marks. As a input I am giving. Then subject 2 marks like Java, HTML and .NET like this you can take. Okay, subject 2 marks and subject 3 marks. So as a input, now I am taking okay 6 values. As a, and after the 6 values, and after this value, okay, okay, now case one, sir. Case one. Okay, case one. Okay, print all the details. Print all the details like what are printing SID, name, course name, subject one, subject two, like this. Then case one. And case two is what? Understand. Case two, case two. In case two, okay, in case two, okay, in case two, okay, print total marks, sir. Total marks. Understand? Print total marks. So here you can print total marks. What you will do? Subject 1 place, subject 2 place, and subject 3, sir. Total marks. Okay, total marks. After total and case 3. Case 3. And print average marks, sir. Average marks. You know how to do. How to total, sir? Okay. Total by number of subject, average marks. And case 4, after average, okay, print student grade. Student grade. Sir, to print the grade, please follow the following condition. What is the condition? Okay, suppose if average marks more than or equal to 70%, print the A grade, sir. Print A grade. In case, okay, if average marks more than or equal to 60 and average marks less than 70, then print B grade. Then print B grade. Suppose if average marks more than or equal to 50 and average marks okay less than 60, then print C grades. Otherwise print the D grades. D grade. So these are my condition. So based on this condition, now I am going to evaluating the application, guys. In real world, okay, in real world, okay, in software company, they will give the requirement like this. So you need to understand the requirement clearly, then start developing the application, right? And this application now I am going to implementing with if else control statement. Shall we go? Please give your responses. Shall we go with this application, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Are say yes or no, guys? I need your response. Thank you. Now I am taking one more application. So just my program name is student.py file, sir. Sir, all the values I am taking from the keyboard, okay, and printing everything, sir. Now, first SID, right? SID is equal to, okay, int of and input, okay, input of just you can write enter, okay, your SID, enter your SID. First input is done. The next name. So when you take the name, directly you can write the input function. Okay, enter your name. Enter your name. The next, third one is course name. Third one is a course name. Course name also string. So that input of enter your course name, sir. Enter your course name. After given course name, I am giving the subject 1 marks. Subject 1 marks is nothing but a integer value. So that we can use it. Okay, int of, okay, input of, okay, enter your subject 1 marks. Subject 1 marks. In the similarly, we are going to inserting here 3 subject marks. Subject 1, subject 2, and subject 3. Subject 1 marks, subject 2 marks, and subject 3 marks. Okay. And after taking, just I am going to printing, sir. Print all the values. Later we are going to performing all the operation. F. First I am going to printing the subject SID is equal to, simply I given the SID, comma. The next name is equal to printing the name, comma. The next one, course name equal to, and here I am going to using the course name variable value, right? Next comma, okay, subject 1 marks. Subject 1 marks is equal to, then here I am going to using the subject 1. Then comma, subject 2 marks. 2 marks is equal to, okay, is equal to, then use the subject 2. The next, okay, subject 3 is equal to, and subject 3 marks I am going to print. Right? Okay, I printed all the initial values. And after printed, now I am going to do calculating the total value. Then what happened? Take the total is equal to. To calculate total, then use a subject 1 place, subject 2 place, and subject 3. Total is done. After total, I am going to calculate the average. Then average AVG is equal to, simply you can write total by number of subject. Average also done. Average also done. And after average, so now I am going to printing these two values. Print, okay, F, and now understand. Total is equal to, simply we are going total marks, comma. The next average is equal to print average value. So once it is printed, now we printed all basic details, total is printed and average. Then we are going to calculate printing the grade value. Then how to grade? Already given the condition. If, understand, if average more than or equal to 70%. Guys, understand. Then print what happened? A grade. A grade, sir. Okay, L, if average more than or equal to 60 and average less than 70%. If yes, and here we are going to printing the B grade. Guys, how we are going to using if else control statement, understand. Again L, In case average more than or equal to 50 and average, okay, less than what we call 60 percentage, then print here is a B grade, here is a B grade, and here you can print the C grades. In case all conditions are false, print the D grade. So like this, we can do the application in real world. Finally, okay, everything is done, sir. Now I am going to executing this application. Now coming, sir, okay, just I am running this code, Python. What is the file name? Student.py. Hit enter button. Student ID 120 I given. Student name Yakub. Course name Python. Subject 1 marks 90. Subject 2 marks 60. Subject 3 marks 80 I given. Then hit enter button, sir. 120 Yakub Python. These are subject marks, sir. Total marks is 230. Average is like this. Grade is A grade, sir. Clear? So this is my application. I am going to printing one by one. Right? In real world, you can do application like this. So this is the real world scenario while developing the application. Okay, like this scenario, we are going to using if else if control statements. Now, look here. Look here. So just here I given the okay our output format. Guys, are you understood? Please say yes or no in our chat box. Your chat box, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Again, one more time I am going to executing. Okay, this time, okay, we'll go with another grade, sir. Another grade. So same thing, right? Okay, 130 I given. Name is Tony. So name is I am going with any. I'll go with your name, sir. Okay. Coming with which name, sir? Ashwini or okay, anything. Okay. So here I taken the Dhana. Dhana is a name. Course is nothing but a Java. Subject 1 marks 60. Subject 2 marks 45. Subject 3 marks, suppose I given the, okay, 30 I given, sir. Now, automatically printing the D grade. Right? So, like this, you can use a if else if control statement in real world applications. Clear? Please need your response, everyone.
Yes,
Sir,
sir, it
are
is
you
clear.
there? Need your response, everyone? So if yes,
Sir.
now I am giving, okay, sir, in your a problem statement, I given some problem statement if else if do all the application today. Okay, and one more small thing. Okay, okay. Now I am giving small task to you. Do for me, sir. Okay, do for me and send now only. Now what I am doing. Okay, I hope you understand this, sir. Guys, this time what I will do, write a Python program Python program, Python program to check, okay, to check the given number positive or positive or negative or positive or negative or okay, positive or negative or non-zero, sir, or zero, sir. Please positive or negative or zero. Please give me the code for this application. Everyone, I am waiting for you here in your chat box, sir. Please do the applications. Positive or negative or zero. Please do and send me now. Please, I am waiting for you.
Sleeping well? There. Something is feeding on your energy while you sleep. Put me under your bed now. I protect you from all negative energy. Money feels stuck. That's
Okay. Right, good. Check the condition and send me into a chat box. Now, where is our booklet? Now I am going with booklet, sir. Download. Right, Python book. Today, what we will do? If block, the next after this one, if else, the next here is the problem statements are if else control statements. Okay, sir, here is the some problem statements I given. Everyone go with page number 19. Okay, and here I given number is positive or negative or 0. Just now I given. And the next check character alphabet or digit or symbol. Okay, here you can write if condition. I given the some space. The next one program to find biggest of three number already I given to you. The next one, and that's it, sir. Okay, these are the some problems you can do with if else if control statement, guys. Clear? Guys, are you there? Need your response. Super, super.
Yes, sir.
Nice,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, nice. Thank you for response. Guys, I am requesting you one thing. If anyone your friends, tell to your friends also. Better to join to them. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి నాన్న ఏముంది చెప్తున్నారా మన క్లాస్ గురించి
Yes, sir.
బాబు
Yes,
చెప్తున్నారా
sir. We are recommending to our friends.
చెప్పండి జరా అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను కొంచెం